Hello everyone, welcome back to Cs50's Introduction to Programming with Python. Today we are going to show how to code the problem setting. First, we start from indoor voices. In the indoor voices, we want us to use so to use hello, and you should output hello, and this is CS50 and this is it. So it is commonly to put the word into the lower case. Okay, so we started. And we started as so indoor. And it's okay. So we got a input functions and code it, and we use a lower functions to lower the where the input coded the string, okay, and put assign to a str and print it using a format function. So we try out Python apply enter, and oops, okay, so we got to indoor. Okay, so week 0 and 3 and indoor. Okay, so we can use the Python input applies and use it hello, and it turns out be a lower hello. So this is indoor functions. Okay, indoors. Okay. So second, the second is playback speed. So the playback speed is usually used. Okay, this is 50, and you must be leave space to turn to be 3 comma. Okay, so we started. Okay, so playback. So we got the input and assigned to a text, and we use a playback to be a no string, and for I in text. So we can use this and to enter array index of characters. Okay, so if I equals base and it push 3 comma, okay, and then if down the for loop, and you will print the playback. So we started. Okay, uh, cd playback and Python playback apply, and this is CS50. Okay, you got it. Good job. Okay, so okay, oops. The second one is okay. The second one is third. The third one is making phase. So making phase is turn this and turn this into emojis, this and this. So you just to serve, you just to control say this and put it to your string, put it to your print functions. So phrases.py input, you call input, and the coder will put some bad or something like this one, and it turns out to be replace this one to this, or replace this one to this. Okay, to this. Okay, and print it out. So we use it. Okay, cd faces Python faces apply, and then this is today is, and it turned out to be good. Okay, happy emoji. Okay, oops. Okay, so and then the fourth is Einstein. The Einstein is the greatest scientist, and it uses the E equals mc squared, and E is energy and M is mass. Okay, and C is the speed, and it gives us 7 meters per second. Okay, so we started, and he want us to give n is what, and it print out the E. Okay, so we use this Einstein pi, and we started as C. So C is 3 equal give us, and then he wants us to be in input, and E equals mc squared. Okay, and print it out. Okay, so we do this, right? Okay, Einstein. Okay, oops. Einstein and Python, Einstein the pi and 50, and it turns out it is. And check it out. Check it, and 50, and it equals, okay, equals to that. So Einstein is done. Okay. And okay. Then the last thing is tape calculator. And tape calculator would be as a coding, and we want to us to write this one dollars to float and percent to float. Okay. So in string 50, and it returns 50. And okay, so how much? And okay, how? Okay, so we use this. We have to first code input whether the week mark is a male and what percent you would like to tip. Okay, so you call this input function, and it turns out to be a string. And in a string, you use the function dollars to float, and you turns this one go to dollars float, and this one is a string, and string replace, because the string have the this one and 50. So we have to first eliminate this one, so replace it to nothing, and D will be the 50, only for 50. And we use the float to become dollars and return the dollars. So dollars will be the float. Okay, the second is the input. What percentage would you like to take? And this is a string, also a string, and it calls the person to float. And so P is a string, and if P replace, because have the this one percent, maybe 50, 50, so we have to replace element with percent, and it, the and it turns out to be 50. So replace to nothing, and it becomes 50, and 50 to integers, string to integers. Use the int to replace string to integers, and it got a p, and p p P and 100, and you got a float. So tip is dollars multiply percent, and it's print out at the tips. And this one is what? Okay, so this one is to show that because we have to 50, 0, and it turned out to be 50, 0. It got a two spaces to the float. Okay, so we started let's see the tip, and Python tip apply. And how much was the mail? How much was the mail? And we gave us one. Well, okay, 100, 100 maybe, 100 maybe. How much? Okay, how much is 50? And he got out 50. And this turned out to be good. Okay, 50, 80%. Also okay. Okay. So this is week 0's functions and variables. Thank you for that much.